नमस्ते बच्चों। अभी हिंदी व्याकरणांश में की और की में अंतर समझेंगे। गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। So today we have taken the grammar part, and in that short pronunciation of key and long pronunciation of key. In this difference we can find. Means where we use the short pronunciation key and where we use the long pronunciation key. So that we are going to learn it. So here this short pronunciation key will be used when we are going to join the sentences. Of course this also, but this is in Telugu what we say that vibhaktulu. In that vibhaktulu, Prathama vibhakti, Tritiya vibhakti, Tritiya vibhakti. In that what is we have the do muvulu, Chetan chain, Thodan tone. In that way, what vibhakti we use, this is also one vibhakti. It means in Hindi we say it as a karak chihna. So in that karak chihna, this is sambandh karak chihna. So it shows the relation between. So like that. So now we are going to know about the short pronunciation key where we use and long pronunciation key where we use it. So coming to that, see here. So know that short pronunciation key you can find here with a red mark. It means how the short pronunciation key is written. Choti e ki matra, what we say. The red color it shows that choti e ki matra. So छोटी ई की मात्रा का उच्चारण क्या है? की. की का अर्थ क्या है? What is the meaning of की? तो की का अर्थ होता है that. So here we use this about that. So where we use it? की का प्रयोग हमेशा दो वाक्यों को जोड़ने के लिए करते हैं. So की is always used to join two sentences together. So how? We see that. An example. मैंने कहा कि तुम घर चले जाओ. I said that you go home. So here, now you understood when we say it as an indirect speech or the direct speech, we use it. Direct speech means with inverted commas, the dialogue will be shown. But here indirect speech only, the inverted commas will be removed and it will be turned in. That inverted commas will be turned into the that and it said that. So like that, I said that you go home. मैंने कहा कि तुम घर चले जाओ. So that is the example. So one more example we see. मेरी माता जी ने कहा कि तुम रोज पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. So what's mother said? My mother said that you should study daily. What is the mother's dialogue? You should study daily. So tell about, we used here that. Nothing but short pronunciation की. मेरी माता जी ने कहा कि तुम्हें रोज पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए. So my mother said that you should study daily. So that is one more example here. मेरे शिक्षक ने कहा कि अब तुम गाना गाओ. My teacher said that now you sing. So wherever we use here short pronunciation key, There we have used that. So it is clear, I think. Now we see some more. टी का प्रयोग दो वस्तुओं में से एक को चुनने के लिए भी करते हैं. So somewhere it will be used not only to say it means that, but we use in to select the things. To select the things we use T. So how? That also we see here. T का प्रयोग या वाले स्थान पर भी किया जाता है. Sometimes we use or in English, or, this or that. So in that case also, this short pronunciation key will be used. So, तुम्हें केला चाहिए कि सेब? Do you want banana or apple? So this is one example used in place of or. तुम्हें लाल पसंद है कि हरा? So which you like, red or green? Here also it is used in the place of or. निशा की आंखें नीली हैं कि काली? So here also this key is used in the place of R. Nisha's eyes are blue or black. So in this way, this key either two things to compare, means when we are selecting, choosing it, this or that at the time, for comparison with any object or anything, the color, whatever it may be, it means likes and dislikes. That also we use this short pronunciation key. Now next one is long pronunciation key. Here you see this long pronunciation key is with a red marker. There you have seen that short pronunciation, this left side it was. Now it is right side. So say हम हिंदी में बड़ी ई की मात्रा कहते हैं. What we say in Hindi? बड़ी ई की मात्रा. Now we see the where we use it. ई एक प्रसर्ग है जिसका प्रयोग स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों के लिए किया जाता है. He is a post position and it is used for feminine words. Wherever the strilinga words are there we use this badi ki matra he. So we see the examples now. यह राम की किताब है. So here you see that the kitab is a striling shabd. It means it is a feminine word. In Hindi we have only two genders. What is that? Masculine gender, feminine gender. So like that only, pulling and striling. So on all non-living words also will, non-living things also will be shared either in the feminine words or feminine gender or in the masculine gender. So here kitab is a feminine gender. So that's why बड़ी ए की मात्रा की is used. यह राम की किताब है. This is Rama's book. It means apostrophe. we use in the place. Next one. ये रोहन की दादी जी हैं. So here दादी जी means grandmother. Grandmother feminine gender. So use here बड़ी ई की मात्रा की. Long pronunciation. Next example. यह वैभव की पतंग है. So here patang also feminine gender. So that's why we use here बड़ी ई की मात्रा की. यह वैभव की पतंग है. This is Vaibhav's kite. Means apostrophe s. So wherever apostrophe is there, naturally we use this long pronunciation e. So this is the difference between छोटी ई की मात्रा की and बड़ी ई की मात्रा की. So we are going to end the session here and thank you.